The bolt vault is designed to mitigate the risk of small objects used during live edge works. The patented design creates a protected environment around the wearer's hand, while two reinforced interlace panels allow for the insertion of tools and working applications such as bolt threads. The tactical nylon weave is flexible for objects such as bolts to pass through where required. The bolt vault is secured to the wrist with an industrial grade Velcro and features two integrated and load rated tether anchor points, allowing the user to attach tools up to 2.5 kilograms or 5.5 pounds, each directly to the bolt vault. They are load rated to 2.5 kilos or 5.5 pounds.